Hey YouTube, you're looking at a quick review of Knipex Pliers Wrench XS and my first impression on using this compact tool. As you know, this is Knipex's new addition to the already well-established Pliers Wrench family, and this replaces the 125mm version as the new smallest Pliers wrench with its 100mm length and buttonless adjuster mechanism, similar to the Cobra XS, which has already gained popularity as a versatile everyday carry tool for many people. I will talk about three key differences and my impression on the Pliers Wrench XS, with a demonstration of me using it to unlock a bicycle axle nut tightened to 30 Newton meters. So number one, it feels very solid in the hand, and it has the same form factor as the Cobra XS with its knurled finish and just very high quality etchings. Feels very solid. Really nice sound to it. Compared to the 125, the width of the tip is comparable, but probably about less than a millimeter thinner compared to the 125. Number two, while the difference in the overall length is 25mm or 1 inch, the length of the lever arm is more than 30mm shorter. What that means is that for someone with a similar sized hand to mine, the end of the grip digs into the palm, making it both painful to use and less able to apply the bigger torque. Number three, the buttonless adjuster is very easy to use and can often be done one-handed. I found the button on the 125 to be a little bit more finicky at times and difficult to adjust one-handed, although it can be done. So in summary, this Pliers Wrench XS feels very well built, and it makes me want to carry it everywhere, which is an important quality I look for in an everyday carry tool. And the adjustment mechanism is simple enough to be used one-handed. The lever arm is much shorter than that of the 125, so its use in situations that require high torque may be limited. And finally, the following is the test to see if I can undo the axle nut of a bike tightened to 30 Newton meters. This 15mm nut to 30 Newton meters. I'm applying quite a lot of pressure and it's just gonna move here. That's it, good. So there you go. Love it. It's beautiful. It just feels so solid. And you can probably go up to 30 Newton meters, maybe 35. Yeah, good tool. Thank you.